Celebrate your sweetheart or that someone special in your life with a sugary sweet card from the Candyland Shaker Card Kit by Queen & Company. Each kit includes 9 metal dies, 12 coordinating foam shapes and coordinating acetate covers, 24 clear stamps, exclusive toppings including roving wool to create cotton candy, a 6x6 paper pad with 24 double-sided sheets, and everything comes packaged inside of a clear storage pouch. Creating a candy themed card is super fun and easy to do. First, pick your favorite pattern paper and run it through a die cutting machine with the candy jar and lid dies. Then run the candy jar die through your die cutting machine again, this time with a piece of white cardstock. Pop out the center of the shaker shape, peel back the white liner and stick it to your card base. Glue the center of the die cut inside of the shaker shape. Next, add toppings to the inside. Peel back the acetate liner and add the acetate cover. Top off your shaker shape with the coordinating dies. Stamp your favorite sentiment along with the border stamp. Next, use the coordinating die cut to cut it out. Then, glue it to the center of your candy jar. Finally, decorate and embellish your card. From suckers to candy jars, adding a little more sweetness into your card making and craft projects is way more fun with the Candyland Shaker Card Kit by Queen & Company.